Station 2. Signals and Scanning. Teach your kids to maintain riding in a straight line while looking back over their shoulder. They should wait until it's safe, then signal before moving into another lane or making a turn. Learning where and when to look for people driving will help them avoid crashes that are incapacitating or fatal 25% of the time.
These skills come easily for kids, but are important to practice so they become habits. Drivers, slow down. Wait until it is safe to move over and pass. Be prepared for kids to swerve and turn unpredictably. Weaving, or not riding in a straight line, is one of the top 3 reasons for crashes between kids on bicycles and people driving. Scan and signal. Scan, signal, and go, only if it is still safe. Everyone biking should scan for themselves. Do not rely on others to decide when it is safe. Experienced bike riders should remind others to scan for themselves.